Yes, we are going out adventure again. You know, this will probably be the last winter camping. It's gonna be spring. We're gonna be doing a lot of fishing when the time comes. A lot of kayaking, fishing. You guys know, if you're watching my channel, if you tune in, you'll see all that video of fishing, kayak fishing, ocean fishing, stuff like that. Moving Saturday night, we will have a big snowstorm up in the mountain. Roughly around a foot of snow, according to the meteorologists, but you know how that goes. So I'm taking that opportunity to show you how beautiful it is up in the mountain when it is snow, guys. It's gonna be epic. It's gonna be, you know, it's not as cold as all the time that we've been doing in the negative. This is probably around 20, 19 degree. Hopefully no wind, but it's gonna be fun. It's always have. When we get together, we always have a good time. Guys, thank you for tuning in. Some patau, okay?
That's why.
I got this guy from Cambodia.
Oh, really?
He done dive. I accidentally walked right through the area with done dive. It reminded me of my dad, you know? Because he done dive, like, look patau got that smooth that and then got the baby. He's been trying to contact me. When am I gonna do his video on his patau? Bull right here. Okay, I'm using it right now, finally. Wow, but how from my clang banana book. Man. Okay. Hey Sam, if you ever want to cook, I only do for ball. Okay guys, I just want to update. This is our winter, our last winter camping. Look at what we're doing. Projector karaoke. Cheer. You haven't done any YouTube lately, buddy. Huh? Karaoke no la lan bong con. Khai the chia come out đây. Ôiខ្ញុំអត់គិតអីទេគិតពីសបាយព្រោះថ្ងៃច័ន្ទពួកខ្ញុំគេណាស់ដែរទេបងប្អូនខ្ញុំថាពួកស្រុកអាមេរិកសបាយជាងស្រុកខ្មែរអត់កើតទេដូចតែគ្នាទេពួកស្រុកខ្មែរសបាយ This is my setting. I know it doesn't look as good because I throw all my pants and jacket. This is my pants. My hoodie. I can throw it up here. I don't need this, but I just want to let you guys know what's the temperature. What is the temperature? You want to see the temperature? Look. 70-degree inside. 24-degree outside. It's gonna snow tonight. I don't know if it's really tonight or tomorrow night. I'm not sure yet. Wow, this is the first time I'm so comfortable. I am so comfortable. Oh my goodness. See you tomorrow morning. Good night. Good morning. Well, we're having a lot of snow outside. Oh yeah, it's cover. I'm gonna go take a look. It is a lot of snow. Very warm. It's really warm. In here, the temperature 65 in here. Had a good night. 23 outside.
Wow. Beautiful. Wow.
Yeah, dude.
Right?
It's good. Now what? Now we hang. It's falling.
It's falling.
She is already up.
I was up since the middle is
Oh,
down,
really?
coming down.
I didn't even know. Look at it. It's already 6 inches.
Because earlier was mixed with rain.
Oh.
That's why I think that's way down a little bit.
So there.
You know why I have to get up? I'm like, I don't want to pee yet.
Huh?
I don't want to pee yet.
Oh. I pee in here, man. I got my shit.
I know, I should have, like,
Yeah.
I have to get up. But I like, let me see if this
If you can't sleep, you pee. You have to pee.
Yeah. Then I said, let me see if it's snowing. And then look at, oh shit, it's snowing.
Yeah. This one is heavy too. Now what, right? Oh, okay.
It ripped though.
It warped. Oh, man. Got us some snow now.
One snow, you got snow?
Yep. Winter Wonderland. Look, honey, I don't have to bring the tarp back.
Less room.
Less room for me. Oh my goodness. Look at Chia. He's gonna keep hitting that. Ass. The camera?
Yeah.
The video work clear.
No man. So you get your knife on you?
I do.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not like so my.ត្រីងៀតបងប្អូនត្រីងៀត Cheers about to do a ball with the bye. One tarp's gone. Đây cầm một lẹ đi. Phần này anh.
Nó chơi slow.
Mèn thế.
Mèn
này. Xa mơ mấy. Mà dù phê này. Nhưng xa mà đo ngay dù chạm một nhiệt brown lên cloudy. Có đấy hả? Good. Oh my god. Chẳng phải mà thằng ngọt nâng. That's go. Mày ngà lâu nhắm phải na. Mình nè chọn chỗ thực nôm phải đôi giả mày buộc mại nhỏ mai. Straight no. Straight vậy? Straight sra. Terus sra sân chăng? Màu má nè. Ok, bà bóng ôn mới nè. 12 inch. Hello, Rosra, nhóm sân. Here's one. Here's some Coke. What else we have here? Sna Japan. Next phase. Lamb rotisserie. Yes, sir. Oh. Look at that. Look at the butthole.
My butthole.
Alright guys, that's the lamb. Half of the lamb. It seems like nobody's showing up. It's going to be just the 5 of us, plus the little tiny dog. So we wanted snow, eh? What we got now. It's really nice being out here in the wood. Snow. Right now it's about maybe 6 inches, and it's still falling hard. Nature is beautiful. I'm gonna walk to the river and see how it looks when it's snow. I want to take you guys with me. Let's go. Let's see how it is. All right, let's go. I don't even know where the trail is. I guess that's it right there. I remember last night. There's a rock. Watch out for them rocks. Yep. Beautiful. Yep. Don't mind me. It's a lot of snow coming down, so we've been waiting for this for the whole year. And it's more toward excuse me. It's more toward the end of the season. It's about to be spring in a couple of weeks, and look where we have snow finally. I've been wanting to do a winter camping. I mean, literally snow, but we finally got it toward the end of the season. But I'll take it. I'll take it. Look at this. It's beautiful, guys. The nature is really. This is why I come out here. Oh, nice and quiet. Oh. Let's see if we can get any closer. These rocks are slippery. I hope I don't fall right into the water. Ooh, 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 that's water. You can see. Slushy. Let's go. Excuse me. Nice. Yep. I don't know. I told you, I wish I had the 370, the 270 awning. Definitely, I have a shelter, but with the tarp and stuff, it's gonna break. It broke. So I don't know how we're gonna hang if the snow keeps coming like this. And then we have to do cooking. We got to do the lamb rotisserie without a shelter. I think we have one more tarp. I'm sorry, canopy. That would be perfect. Yeah. All right, let's go back.
On the way here, like 7, 8. They drove off the road.
Yeah, I saw that.
Some spots are scared because it's like a big long. They don't see you, so they speed it. And then once they change lanes, the fish tail.
Yeah, or like when it starts going downhill, then like not like all the way down, but it's just like when the road starts tilting down.
I say about over a foot, 16 inches right now.
We had one in front of us. I was
We're troopers, so
Yeah, you have to show up, especially for the snow, right?
yeah, we're driving.
Oh my
There's
goodness.
like 20 cars behind us. Like I'm gonna do 45 miles per hour on a 70.
Oh, so it's bad, the
It was
road.
bad.
The road's bad.
Some cars tried to cut us, and then was like spinning. Like, yeah, that's why I don't. It's
Don't, that's why you
we'll
don't
get
rush.
there.
Yeah, don't rush.
We'll get there. You will get stuck.
You get stuck. Sake, hot sake. Guys, but this is something else. This is a refugee camp right here. Look at that. Slappery, there's a whole bunch in there. The plastic one.
No, I want like something to rub it in, you know, like one of those rubbies things. Because we're trying to make it a little bit red and orange.
I see.
You know what's good, Mike? Like a toothbrush. Perfect.
Oh, yeah, that'll work.
That's plenty of meat.
He does sound like that, yeah. You want Vietnam. All right. Guys, this is lamb. A rotisserie lamb. At least half of the lamb. Ooh.
Because you know it is zero below. But we need the body heat.
Because when I see my hands do like
Really good.
oh my goodness.
Oh my. So good. You want one, David?
Yeah, take one.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. That's your cameraman right there.
oh yeah.
So, happy birthday! Oh, yeah.
They can only do half. Wow. I can only do half right now. Just a month.
That's what
It's cold, yo.
But you want to less smoke?
Where's the trash at?
Here.
Oh, I think right here.
Right there, the back one.
Right here.
Oh yeah, yep.
Oh, that's cold. That shit was buried.
What's cold?
What's cold?
Can I get a cold bottle of water?
Yeah, we got some.
Right there.
Right there.
We never had that snowbank here.
Just now it began to snow.
Luckily, you cleared some snow out.
Trying to find
A little extra energy.
Don't bring your boot. Don't bring your boot now.
They say 18
lied.
to 24.
Careful.
Oh,
don't
they
bring your
did?
boot.
They said 18 to 24.
Oh,
Oh, don't worry.
perfect,
Burn your
perfect,
finger.
perfect.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
I take it away. That's all I like.
The owner says done. Chef Boyardee.
I cannot
Wow. Wow, we have a whole cow. Holy cow.
Holy cow.
Gotta slide off the table.
Yeah,
Yeah, look at
my
that juice.
table.
You see that juice
It's
dripping?
okay.
The juice
see. Oh, I can't see.
It's all fogged up.
All of a suddenly,
Oh, watch out for the juice, bro.
ow.
Oh, my bad. I'm so sorry.
Oh, somebody
I'm
opened
gonna
that.
Sit
You
here.
don't even have to let it cool down.
you guys
Just
can cut
open
it
it and we
yourself.
cool down.
Yeah. I want to see somebody cut that, please. Go through the whole thing. Oh, man. Oh, my
la
God.
la. Oh, yeah. Oh, we'll cook like that. Perfect. Perfect. A little bit.
No, it's a brisk, Bong. It's a brisk.
That's okay. That's okay. That's okay.
Good job.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man. Look at that.
I wish I had better smoke ring, so.
Oh,
No, it's okay.
it's okay.
Good, you're good.
Listen, the best cooker is when you improvise.
Oh.
We don't have the right sauce.
It's tender. I can tell it's tender. It's
Wow.
definitely tender.
Yes.
Good job, buddy.
Wow, yeah.
look at that.
Oh, that looks
Did a good job.
Thank you.
Look at that.
Alright.
Anybody want to take the first taste?
We try first.
We'll give it to the elderly first. The guy that have no teeth. Perfect.
It's tender enough.
He didn't even chew. He should swallow. Sorry, guy. Oh no. Go ahead, boy.
You're so mean.
Go ahead, let it go. Let it go.
Get some.
I'll get some.
Bia không?
Yeah, tạm biệt không? Chả xé khăn chiêng. Yeah.
Chắc tên tình tôi nhỉ?
Good job. Okay, now all the kids can eat after the elderly eat. That's our nature.
I'm about to steal this flat piece right now.
Sa này, look at this. Now, birthday yours.
Oh, that's the best part.
Yeah, baby. Cheer.
Good, come on, wait. I got a plate for one.
No, I got one right here.
Okay, get your plate. No, your plate.
This potato.
No, the good part.
Wow.
The good part. Right here.
Oh, wow.
Perfect right there.
That fat one,
I
right?
can honestly do that.
Here, Bong Mike. A fat one for you.
Thank you.
The birthday boy.
So it's like
not bad
different parts,
at
like
all.
the fatty part.
No, you need no bread, no
Oh,
lettuce, no ketchup.
especially the fatty.
Perfect.
Good job.
This
Good
taste
job.
is almost like Mark Green and say,
Yeah.
Because once you get
You higher, you
it's
higher.
gonna be very tender.
It's all the fat right here.
Yeah. No, good job. Good
Wow.
job. Wow.
A little hot though.
Yup. Hey, where's the bread?
Is it frozen?
Make sandwiches.
Very tender.
The bread's frozen, right? I don't know.
Very tender. The sweet.
Sauce.
The sauce is in the in the cooler.
Fat. Oh my goodness, it's fat.
Cooler.
Sandwiches.
Just cut the whole thing.
Mm. That's Mark Green.
I did chip.
អូយមើលណែ
Mình đã bật chân ở chia đã.
ហ្នឹងហើយបើថាយើងអាត្រែតគេធ្វើអញ្ចឹងហើយដាក់យើងហ្នឹងហើយ
Go night night.
មើល
You want a shabu?
You going night night.
He go night night. No. No, I think he's gonna pee on himself tonight. He's so 60 and plus. Alright. Man, that's cold. Soon as the snow stops, which I'm trying to figure out maybe around 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, it got cold. It got cold. My feet's cold. This boot is old, so waters are taking it. I'm gonna make myself comfortable tonight. There's a lot of snow inside. I mean outside. At least 24 to 26 inches. At least 24 inches up here. There wasn't a foot of snow. That's a lot. It's a lot of snow. But the heat was really good. I was warm inside, you see it. And the worst part is putting all this stuff together. Beef. That's a beef.
I'm not worried.
We don't worry. At home, nothing. At Toyota, perfect.
I guess we forgot about Puerto Rico.
Guys, that was an epic winter. Thank you for watching, guys. We took a chance to come out here and it was awesome. Thank God we came. The heater, everything was going perfectly except that my boots, again, maybe this year I will replace them before the next winter. I have to get a nice snow boot so that my feet won't freeze. We had a great time with the same people as always. Plenty of food. Snow, it wasn't 12 inches. It was up to 24 inches of snow. You can see it. It was great. We had a great time. So thanks you for watching, guys. Until the next adventure. So this is definitely our last winter. We are going camping and fishing is the next step that we were gonna do. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, guys. This meant a lot to me. Thank you, guys. It's still fun. Guys, time wait for no one. Go out there and make memories. God bless. Thank you. Bye-bye.